Hey guys, here we are with Mi 10 Ultra. As you know that Xiaomi is hosting a 10th anniversary launch event on August 11th, so in this video we see all the important features, price and launch date. So without wasting time, and let's get started. As you see here, the outer presentation of box is really good here. The Mi branding logo is present. Now let's unbox it and see the accessories. After open this box here, you can see SIM ejector pin with some paper material which is enclosed in white box. After this you can see our smartphone here, that is Mi 10 Ultra, in which you can see here 6.6-inch display available, which is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. Let's see other accessories by put it beside, and here is the 30 watts turbo fast charge adapter and USB cable from back side of the phone. You can see here design is really nice, looks is really pretty. As per camera, 108 megapixel main camera that employs the ISOCELL Bright HMX sensor from Samsung. The rear camera setup also includes a 13 megapixel sensor and two 2 megapixel sensors. The phone has 8K video recording support. The device packs a 20 megapixel sensor for selfies and videos. It comes with a pro video recording mode, night mode, portrait mode, raw mode, and a lot more. So these is for today. Let me know your opinion by comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Have a great day.